Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to change row height and column width in Microsoft Excel. So there are several different ways to change the width and the height of this sheet. Watch this video till the end to find out how many there are. So the first and the easiest one is to just go to the column and just click and drag till you wherever you want. So just click, hold and drag in the width you want. So same goes for the rows. Just click on this end of the row and just click, hold and drag, and that's how you change the size of a row and column. So if I need to write something here, so I want this column to have the same length as this word right here. So I can drag it from here to here, but I can also do this. As you can see, the height of the rows are different here. What you can do is that you can double click at the end of this row right there and it will change back to normal. All the rows have the same height. So this is one method of changing the height of the row and width of the column. So the second method is to do it from the ribbon. So select this row and go to format, and I will click on this row height and I will click maybe 50 and okay, and you can see that the height of this row has been increased, and you can change the width of the column as well. Now make sure you select the column by clicking on the top of the column and go to format. Here you will see column width. Click on that. Here type bigger number like that and click on enter. So you can see it changed its size. Now as you can see, it has different size than other cells. So in order to make it even, you can go to format and click on autofill. So as you can see, it has changed and kept the height of the row same. So you can do the same for the column. Go to format. Here you will see autofill column width. You can click that, and you can also click on default width right here and click on OK. So this is another method. So if you want a custom sheet where you want to custom your cell sizes, you can always select the entire sheet right here and go to row height and just create like that. You can see that all of the rows have the same sizes and their sizes has also increased. Same goes to the column. Select the entire sheet, go to format and click on column width. So the column width has also changed. So you can also do it by your mouse. Copy the entire sheet, and if you drag any of these rows like this, you will see that all of the cells have changed its row heights. Now same goes for the column. If you drag it a little bit there, then you will see that all of the other columns has also changed its column width. So the last method to change the size is you can copy the width. So I have this column width over here in the A3 cell. I will copy this, and now I want the same size to be in the C column. So here I will right click and go to paste spatial. Here you will see keep source column width. Click on that and you will see that I have pasted the same width size on another column. What else you can do is copy it from the keyboard, Control C, and you can press Alt E, S, and W. Click on OK, and it has copied the column width to another column as well. And these are all the methods to change row heights and column widths in Microsoft Excel. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.